Senator Chiloba says his sacking brings into focus the major governance crisis at IEBC, an issue that will affect even the next office holder if the matter is not addressed. The move by Chebukati to send Chiloba packing further deepens the crisis at IEBC after 4 commissioners resigned and now the CEO elbowed out. Only 3 commissioners are remaining. Duncan Hemba for KTN News.
A female nurse is now fighting for her life at the ICU unit at Kenyatta National Hospital after allegedly being physically assaulted by a woman who was infuriated by the news of the death of her son early today at the facility. The woman, who is said to have been accompanied by 5 other relatives, has been arrested, even as the National Nurses Association of Kenya threatens to withdraw their services if justice is not done to their colleague. Our reporter Cecilia Wakesha has been following that story and now brings us those details.
Tension, uncertainty and confusion at Kenyatta National Hospital for the better part of Saturday. Visitors would come to see the loved ones would witness a rare security search. At around 10 a.m., a woman accompanied by 5 other family members was enraged by news of the death of her son, who had cancer of the blood, and allegedly pounced on one of the nurses on duty at the accidents and emergency unit, leaving her unconscious.
A relative jumping on our colleague with a blunt object, hitting her on the neck, wrestling her down. It was a wrestling match, and strangling her neck to the extent that our colleague became unconscious. In fact, was even covering her mouth. In fact, the long and short is that she was killing our colleague.
One of the nurses, when he was going to break the news in the private room, then that is the time the other nurse was attacked, who even did not know that the relatives had been informed about the death.
Confirming the incident through the phone, Kenyatta Hospital communication boss Simon Irai termed the assault as unfortunate and regrettable that should not have happened. But National Nurses Association of Kenya apportioned the blame on the hospital's management for negligence on the security of health workers. They have threatened to withdraw their services by Monday next week if justice is not done to their colleague.
The colleague is now waiting for ENT specialist review.